In front of me is Samsung Galaxy Tab Active 5 and today I would like to show you how you can operate a voice recorder. Begin by launching Recorder app. If you never used it before, select while using and allow in all pop-ups. And then before recording, click on those three dots. Now after selecting settings in the pop-up, adjust all of those however you want to. When you finished, go back. Now you need to select standard or speech to text at the top, and when you're ready, tap on this red button. As you can see, recording is on. To pause it or unpause it, use the same middle button. To listen to your recording right away, pause it, swipe it, and click on play button on the left. To add a bookmark, click on this blue icon. If you wish to end it and save it though, click on this square on the right. Then name your recording however you want to and select save. As you can see, mine was successfully created. To play it, click on it. To delete it, you need to hold it. Select delete at the bottom and confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!